Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So, guys, Victoria is once again with you with an interesting and totally unique project, and we are talking about here about XYZ verse. And now we are talking about, guys, about gaming projects in the world of cryptocurrency. So, before starting their thrilling, amazing video review, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know, Victoria always come with a very interesting and totally unique and new platform for my viewers, for my audience. So you have to must like and subscribe. And guys, I have placed all of the XYZ verse links in my video description. You have to simply click and you can join this awesome platform. So welcome to XYZ verse. There is the first all sports meme coin, guys, and you have to don't skip any part of the video. I tell you about their complete introduction and why you have to join XYZ. I give you their exclusive roadmap about tokenomics, and I tell you how you have to buy this awesome platform. So you have to don't skip any part of the video. Before starting their further review, I want to say that I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. So guys, here you can see your audit is by pessimistic. So our current price is 0.001333 USDT, and we will do our next price, which is will be 0.002 USDT. And guys, we are on the Ethereum main network. Basically, you have to first one that click on wallet connect. You have to connect your wallet like MetaMask, Phantom. As you can see, I connect my MetaMask wallet, and after connecting MetaMask wallet, guys, you have to put your Ethereum, how much you want to buy. You have to put your Ethereum amount, like you can buy 2.4 Ethereum, or how much you have. Then you can get like XYZ tokens in your wallet. So, guys, these are our partners like Analytics Insight, Cointelegraph, Bitcoin Set, and Crypto Daily. These are our partners, exclusive partners, guys. And guys, what is the about XYZ? This is the meme coin tired of hopping between overhyped tokens and getting left in the dust. So no more rug pulls. There is here you have to play for games, and we are here to for win. Big moves, big rewards for here. And guys, this is born for the long games. So you have to, this is driven by basically community fueled by action. Every XYZ transaction fuels buybacks, burns pure community joy. What is the mission of XYZ verse, guys? Basically, our mission is simple reward holders and take this meme all of way on the top. So you have to just join, be part of next big meme revolutions. Don't watch dominate. You have to buy XYZ. And now, why you have to join XYZ? For all sports, esports, memes, or any other day, thanks XYZ's place. So this is born in the bear market. Here you have to say, guys, and we are the real ecosystem, because in the world of cryptocurrency, it is full of meme coins, but XYZ stand out thanks to its all ecosystem, and that's why we make XYZ unique and why it deserves your attention. So this is the revenue driven buybacks community, where you have to flow will burns and ensure a good price and a happy community. So you have to, if any question you can ask, you can there is our exclusive roadmap, guys. We have to pre-sale launch our campaign, we have to start. And for that, we have to first one, we have to do token generation and exchange listing for XYZ. Then we have to do gamifications for the token integrations, and then we have to do sports celebrities for collaborations, and then we have to do digital entertainment expressions, and then we have to do brand partnerships, events partnerships, and then we have to do community growth and feedback for all of you. So this is our exclusive roadmap, guys. Now we talk about our tokenomics. Here is our pre-sale, and this is 17.87%, marketing for 15%, and also we do have incentive bonuses and airdrops for our community liquidity also. 15% development ecosystem gain 10% for the team. For the calls we have to do 10% and 5%, and there will be our deflationary burn that is 7 to 13%, guys. And our ticker is $XYZ chain on Polygon, and this is the address. When you are buy, you have to copy this. So guys, you have to must join this, and you have to drop your email, and you have to subscribe our channel, guys. And guys, this is our Twitter official account which you have to follow. We are here to dominate all meme coin games. The first all sport meme coin is right here now. You have to join our official Telegram channel too. This is our Telegram community where you have to join, guys. This is our Twitter account which you have to follow this, guys. And here you get all of our next updation about XYZ verse here. And guys, we are now and secure. You have to visit this. You have to secure your bag, and you have to just join right now. So this is some of the key points about XYZ, which I have to say to all of my audience, my viewers. That's it is the first meme coin for all of the sports fan, whether it's football, gaming, or blends the thrill of sports and fun of crypto. And guys, we have also do exclusive pre-sale growth and potential. We have raised XYZ about 3 million, and these token price skyrocketing from, as I tell you, 0.01 to 0.01 at 900 increase over side stages. So the next mega moonshot we have to do. Meme coin like Sponet spread soared about 45% and 6,000%, but there its pumps are history. XY is here to take the spotlight, offering a fresh chance to for all life changes returns. There is a big profit potentials for all of our community, and this is a 100% community owned project, guys. And we have to just growing our community of sport fans and crypto dragons who take inspiration from athletes and targeted thousands fold profits. So this also take gamification and sport connections. We have to bring this token into sports game and create for fun and game like features. So you have to just keep users excited. This is very exciting and thrilling for all of the players, like sport fans and the crypto lovers both can join this, and you can earn a big in the meme coin world. And guys, this is fast and cheap on Polygon blockchain. So here you can get your quick transaction, very low fees, and you can get a very profit from here. So you have to join. Their pre-sale is live now. You have to invite your friends. You have to buy this. I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.